What?
You not gonna get you no food?
That's my food.
No, I'm gonna eat this.
I hate when you do stuff like that, man.
Jaqualin, it smells good.
Jaqualin and Brittany, like Bobby and Whitney. They dropping straight bangers, you better subscribe, you better not miss it. They from 2 different cities, he from the Silk and she from Missouri. They dropping straight bangers, you better subscribe. They getting right to it.
What's up, B&J Empire? It's your girl Brittany, and I am back with another banger. Y'all, Jaqualin just went into the store, and I was just thinking, like, he's been getting me with these pranks, and I'm just ready to come back 10 times harder. So he is about to go get some food. I'm not hungry, my stomach's hurting, but we finna do this prank anyway. He's about to go get some food from, I think, Wendy's or something, I don't know, but I'm gonna be asking, no, what am I doing? Okay, no, I'm going to, like, every time he gets food, he always asks me if I want some, and I'm like, nah, I'm straight, I'm good, I don't want no food, but I'm gonna be eating his food. So all the food that he's getting, I'm gonna be eating, even though I said that I don't want none, but I'm gonna be doing it anyway. That's on period. But yeah, I think this would be a good prank. Jaqualin gets really irritated whenever I say I'm not hungry or something, and then I end up eating his food or drinking his drink or something, because he was like, well, why didn't you get your own? And I'm like, well, I wanted yours. So I think this would be a perfect prank just to pull something quick. And yeah, he's in the store. He should be coming out, like, hopefully soon. I'm not sure, but anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that bell. And y'all, I'm gonna come back, just give me a minute. I'm finna be done with this semester of school, and then I got y'all. Until then, give me a break. I'll be back once I see him coming out the store. He's on his way. What you get?
Organic candy?
Organic candy.
Yeah.
Dang, you ate it in the store?
What you doing? My
I want
candy.
to see exotic gummy bears. What's exotic about them?
It's healthy candy. No, they don't sound, but it's healthy candy.
Oh, they got cherry, raspberry, grapefruit, blood orange, and blueberry pomegranate. That's nasty. You can enjoy your organic.
Lord.
Okay.
No, no.
Come on. I thought you was hungry.
No.
My stomach hurt. Stomach hurt.
Wait.
I thought you said you was getting like
Yeah. Like I had at McDonald's sweet tea.
if they make it right, if they got it.
Right. Sour. And
Most
stuff.
sour, no.
I mean, yeah, it still be tasting sour.
No, it tastes bitter.
That too.
It tastes bitter.
But it sounds like it tastes old. It tastes
Or,
old, like it been sitting there for a couple days.
like it don't. It's not.
What?
All that smacking. Stop.
Your mama.
That's annoying.
You annoying.
Say it again.
You annoying. Stop now. Hurry up, put your hands on me. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Man, be all day.
Big wood turn.
Get back alone.
Jaqualin, you are not that hungry.
you see. What gummy bears is it?
They mine now.
Man, give my gummy bears.
No, they mine. I'm gonna eat them for later. They my snack. Thank you for getting them for me.
Man, give my gummy bears.
Thank
I'm
you for
praying.
getting them for me.
Oh my God, can't. I'm already hungry now.
Well, I ain't got nothing.
And this winning line taking forever. I'm finna get me a baconator. I'm finna get me some fries.
You don't even eat no baconator.
I ain't had one in a long time. I'm finna smash on baby. You know I gotta get the plain cheese and meat and bacon.
I don't want nothing. I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry. It's hot.
It's hot, but you was finna put
No,
the
I
window
want to let up a little bit because it's in a couple.
What that mean? That's not a cop.
That's the narc.
That's not a cop.
Whatever.
That looks like a cop car. Yeah, it's not. It got a regular tag.
Oh, so all of them have a government.
Huh?
I said most of them have a government tag. All of them do.
Yeah, but
Why that shit Fred down over there?
I never heard of a Fred until I got here.
What? Y'all gonna...
You know we don't have that.
Oh, y'all ain't even got a Dollar General.
Yes, we do.
Well, I ain't never seen
Yes,
it. When I was down there, I ain't never seen that.
So dramatic.
Y'all tweaking.
So dramatic. Well, I'm moving fast today. Okay.
What is that, pretzel? What? I'll try that new.
Pretzel bacon.
Nah, that's too much going on. I give me a 4 for. You know I'm cheap.
Get you a 4 for.
Look at my bears.
No, they mine now. I'm gonna eat them when I get home for my snack. Thank you for buying them.
So I bought them for me, but you took them from me.
Yeah.
Alright. Yo, I'm hungry, y'all.
You is not that hungry. Stop.
I ain't that hungry. I'm hungry.
My Miggy.
Dig. Moving up. Mike, you know I'm gonna get my. You don't want that for real?
I'm not hungry. Give me stomach hurt.
Pretzel, bun, and beer cheese. Ain't she fool around in the corner?
She irritated.
She bad, ain't she? Yes, man. Can I get let's see, a 10-piece chicken nugget meal?
No.
What type of sauce and what type of drink?
It's cheaper to get a 6-piece and then a 4-piece and then a 5. Go ahead.
Let me get a Sprite.
Sauce.
Sweet and sour and barbecue.
Would that complete your order?
That's it.
Would that complete your order?
Yes, man. That's it. What I said it. That's it, ma'am.
670 drive around, please.
I don't know. I got Sprite. I'm gonna go to McDonald's and get that sweet tea. It just come with. That's why I got it. You can get that. I guess.
I don't want it. I don't want anything.
Huh? You don't want anything? That's shocking.
I don't
That's
feel
right.
good.
Smash this. You on that one for the grill. Oh God. For the smash that food. Get all in your face. Can't believe you ain't hungry.
I'm just not hungry.
Today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Are you tripping?
Hello. Really? welcome. Have a wonderful day.
Now, see, last time you got on to me because I didn't speak.
Because you was being rude because she said something, but this
I didn't
she
hear.
didn't say nothing this
I
time.
didn't hear.
Thank you.
Huh?
Want me to hold it? What are you? Ooh.
What you doing?
What?
You say you didn't.
Stop!
You say you didn't want nothing.
Well, I want it now. It smells good.
What? You just told me you didn't want anything.
I want it now.
You know I can't stand when you eat my food. Like, why you didn't get nothing?
You
You
don't-
want to go back and get something? Why you ain't getting nothing? Stop eating
No,
my
you don't want
food.
nothing?
What?
We not gonna get you no food?
That's my food.
No, I'm gonna eat this.
I hate when you do stuff like that, man.
Jaqualin, it smells good. I got my section.
Stop eating my food now.
No, it's mine. You can go get some now. Thank you. At first I didn't want anything, but it smells good now. Oh, you got my favorite sauce? Sweet and sour? You on top of it.
Get my nerve, man.
Why? You can have a chicken here. You can have a chicken nugget. Other than that, you can't get nothing.
That's mine. Why you didn't get nothing?
I didn't want anything until I smelled it. So you gonna go on? You gonna go back and get some food? No, you got a red light.
Oh, it's like, what? Yellow.
Go back. You gonna go get some food?
I guess I go to McDonald's or something, man. Get my food. You want something from McDonald's?
No, I want this.
What?
What you gonna get from McDonald's?
I don't know, man. Get my food, man. What, you eat my fries too? Man, oh my God, bro.
I'm gonna eat this. What are you? You gotta get something else.
I hate when you do that.
Okay, but you order exactly what I would get from Wendy's. You set yourself up.
I go to McDonald's, give me a McDouble and stuff.
Why you didn't ask me if I wanted something to eat?
I did ask you.
I don't tell you.
Play too much.
No.
Get my food now.
No move. You gotta get something else.
Okay, get my McDonald's. You better not even think about getting it.
I don't know. I got food.
That line ain't long. Good.
How you gonna tell the line alone that was the front of it?
Because I seen it. It wasn't no cars behind them, so you can tell it wasn't long.
You too far.
Get my. Man, that's crazy, bro. How you gonna? My food.
No.
Give me a chicken nugget.
No.
How?
Cause
you
I'm gonna
gonna-
eat it when I get home.
Well, you said you didn't want nothing, so now you want something.
Mm-hmm. That one.
Give me some McDonald's.
McDonald's. McDonald's.
Sun in my eyes.
What you getting from McDonald's? Thank you for the drink.
Oh
You
my
okay?
God. Yeah, I want my chicken nuggets. I got them for a reason for me.
So you was planning on getting me nothing?
You said you didn't want nothing.
Okay, what you going on? It smelled good. So what you want me to do?
I'm gonna get that 4 for 4.
You want to get another 4 for 4?
Another. That one 4 for 4 I got.
You got that 4 for 4.
That one 4 for 4. My drink.
Let's do it. No.
What?
It's
ain't my
mine.
drink either.
Mm-mm.
Oh my god. Man.
That's your fault for not asking me if I wanted anything.
I asked you.
Oh, thank you though.
Get on my nerves.
How? What I
They
do?
gonna go? What? I swear, man.
They ain't even on yet. I'm excited.
About what?
I got some chicken nuggets. My stomach don't hurt no more.
Yes, ma'am. Can I get a 4 for 4?
McDouble, Missy.
Let me get the McDouble with just cheese and pickles only.
All the cheese and pickles.
Uh-huh.
What type of sauce with the drink?
Let me get sweet and sour and barbecue. Let me get a sweet tea. Lovely sweet tea. That's it.
That's all you wanted?
I like treat. They a treat.
Who?
Treat.
My stomach hurts.
Summer.
Stop! That's mine.
Well, I actually did get a Sprite for you, but you ain't get my sweet tea.
I don't want your sweet tea. I don't want anything.
See. I'll put. Hey, Brittany. Yo. Brittany.
Brittany.
Oh, she like my cousin. Work that Wingstop. You know, cause you every last time was your friend working in there.
You said friend.
She like my cousin though.
Right. So cousin, friend, everybody your cousin. Well, she didn't recognize you.
She didn't see me.
Have a good day.
You too.
Stomach hurt.
People love Starbucks on. Look at them. They cheap and I be.
I don't know why you got it.
Yes, man.
It was stink.
Smell it.
Smell like feet.
They got too many fly.
It smell like dead.
Like bleach or something.
No, it don't smell like.
There you go.
It don't smell like.
You too. Hold on.
Good shit.
My straw in there? My straw in there? Man, it's too late now. Why you eat my... No. Give my food. No, we finna... Nope. Finna pull over. You not finna take my food.
We can't pull it around.
You never take my food.
It's mine, Jaqualin. Stop.
Man, you can stop playing these games. No, it's my food. Go on now.
I ain't playing
Eat that Wendy. No. Eat. Give my food. Boo, give me my food. Stop playing.
Jaqualin, I don't want that no more.
Get what? You finna park and we finna fight. You finna get my food.
Chicken
Oh,
nugget.
get my food. Get my food.
Stop.
Get my food.
It's mine.
Get my food.
Jaqualin, let go.
Still strong.
No, stop. He's probably not that hot.
Man, get my boo. Stop playing, man. Get my food now.
No, you're just gonna have to go somewhere else and get something. I don't think.
No. Get my food. Get my food.
I'm gonna eat this now and I'm gonna eat that later. You didn't ask me if I wanted something.
I asked you that you want some food. You said no. Oh, God, bro. You get on my nerve, bro.
Who are you yelling at? Who are you yelling at?
Get my food.
No.
Give me my food now, for real.
No, I ain't ate all day. I'm hungry. Let me eat my burger. These fries is disgusting.
Well, get my food now. I ain't got time to play any games.
No, you just go back in the line.
You crazy?
No.
Give me my food. Oh, stop drinking my... God, bro.
Oh my God, this is
You
crazy.
took all my food. You just say you want that again.
Okay, well I
What
smelled
kind of
it.
games you playing?
I ain't playing no game. I smelt it. It smelled good, but I wanted it. Oh my God, you gonna make me choke. I'm just playing.
Get my food now.
I'm just playing. I was pranking you.
You what?
I was just pranking you.
I'm
Can I really out of you though?
No. Stop, no.
I just pranked you.
Pranking me.
Yeah.
Oh.
I know you get irritated.
No.
I know you get irritated when I always ask for your food when I had the opportunity to get some.
I hate when you do that.
So I thought it was gonna be a good prank to take your food every time you order something.
I hate when you do that. Anybody do that stuff.
You really went and got a whole nother meal.
Girl, you say you want that at Wendy's.
I didn't think.
You want to get a McDonald's. You say you want that then.
I didn't know that you was gonna get a whole nother meal. Well, at least you really did give me something. Y'all, I got him. You told him to come back. You said I was gonna come back, and I got you. No, I'm really gonna eat this. That was real. I'm really gonna eat it.
Man, cut that camera off, man.
Alright, y'all. Are you mad?
Irritated, man.
Why are you irritated?
I just spent some money.
I'm weak. Anyway, y'all, I got him. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell. What you got to say? What you got to say? Team Brittany?
Team Jaqualin.
Team Brittany?
Team Jaqualin.
Team Brittany?
Jaqualin.
Just say Team Brittany. So I got you good.
Straight. God.
Anyway, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.